Are you searching for information on how to start raising rabbits for meat? Want to find meat rabbit information? This is your friendly neighborhood bunny, on behalf of the Raising Rabbits community. Today, I am here to tell you about a cool rabbit resource that I highly suggest that you check out if you are interested in raising meat rabbits. The resource is a book by Aaron Webster titled Raising Rabbits 101. Raising Rabbits 101 has been labeled, by lots of rabbit raisers, as being the ultimate guide to raising rabbits. In the book, you will learn all about how to start raising rabbits, or improve your existing rabbitry. Topics include housing, breeding, selling, rabbit health, care, stock selection, kindling and much more. To learn more, visit raisingrabbits101.com. That is raisingrabbits101.com. Take care, and good luck with your rabbit project.